Hi, I'm Massey from the Tomato Head and Flowerhead Bakery. We're back in the kitchen with our Food Gotta Cook series, and today we're going to make a simple chicken stock. So we're going to start with, got half a chicken in the pot. I'm going to add some carrots. That's about 2 medium-sized carrots, and it doesn't matter what order you add any of this stuff in. This is a medium onion. Got some garlic, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, about 3 stalks of celery. I like to put a little bit of ginger in mine. This is about 2 inches of ginger that I've cut up. I'm gonna throw a handful of parsley, about 8 to 10 sprigs. And this is 1 fairly large leek that I've chopped up and washed, and we're gonna throw that in there as well. A very full pot. And then we're gonna add 20 cups of water. So we'll just turn that on and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Great, so our stock's been cooking for about 20 minutes. The chicken should be done now, so we're gonna just take the chicken out, remove the meat, and we'll save that for another use, and then put the bones back into the stock. Great, so I've pulled the meat off the chicken, and I'm gonna throw these bones back in. And we're just gonna let this simmer for about 2 to 3 hours or longer, and just let it all work its magic. So we've let the stock simmer for about 3 hours. I've strained it, and I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, refrigerate it, skim off the fat, and then I'll have really lovely chicken stock that I can use for making matzo ball soup, for chicken noodle soup, any number of things that require chicken stock. You can get the full recipe on our website at thetomatohead.com, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.